TPM. A Markov transition matrix is a square matrix describing the probabilities of moving from one state to another in a dynamic system. In each row are the probabilities of moving from the state represented by that row to the other states. Thus, the rows of a Markov transition matrix each add to 1. Example, consider the simple weather model. So we have the state rain is denoted by 0 and sun is denoted by 1. Then the transition matrix is P equal to 0.5, 0.5, 0.1, 0.9. And x naught we assume to be rainy, that is x naught equal to 0. Therefore, P naught equal to 1, 0. By Chapman-Kolmogorov theorem and also by using the inequality P of n equal to P of n minus 1 into P, we have P of 1 is equal to P naught into P. So that is 1 0 into P, 0.5, 0.5. Then P of 2 into 2 equal to P of 1 into P, that is 0.5, 0.5 into P. Answer is 0.3, 0.7. Then P of 3 is P of 2 into P, that's equal to 0.2 to 0.78. Thus, there is a 22% chance that day 3 will be rainy. Thus, if P naught and P are available, then the probability distribution Pn can be calculated for any positive integer n. Next example, the TPM of Markov chain xn equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. having 3 states. So we are getting P equal to 0.2, 0.3, 0.5. Then 0.1, 0.6, 0.3, 0.4, 0.3, 0.3. First we have to find P of x2 equal to 2 and P of x3 equal to 3, x3 equal to 2, x3 equal to 1, x3 equal to 1. And it is given P naught equal to 0.5, 0.3, 0.2. So by Chapman-Kolmogorov theorem, you know the P to the power n is equal to the n-step probability matrix. That is P to the power 2 is equal to the n2-step probability matrix. We are getting P square. That is P into P. The answer is 0.27, 0.39, 0.34, 0.20, 0.48, 0.32, 0.23, 0.39, 0.83. Next example, a man tosses a fair coin until 3 heads occur in a row. Let xn denote the longest. Strings of heads ending at the nth trial, xn equal to k, if at the nth trial the last tail occur at the kth trial. And the transition probability matrix is what we have to find. So the answers we are getting a 4 by 4 matrix, P equal to 0.5, 0.5, 0, 0. Then 0.5, 0, 0.5, 0, 0, 0.5, 0, 0, 0.5, 0, 0, 0, 1. Next example, at an intersection, a working traffic light will be out of order the next day with probability 0.07. And out of order traffic light will be working next day with the probability 0.88. Let xn equal to 1 if on day n the traffic light will work. Xn equal to 0 if on day n the traffic light will not work. So we have to find the Markov chain. So we are getting the P, the transition probability matrix, P equal to 0.12, 0.88, 0.07, 0.93. Next question, suppose that the customers arrive at a bank according to a Poisson distribution with mean rate of 3 per minute. Find the probability that during a time interval of 2 minutes, exactly 4 customers arrive and more than 4. So P of x of 2 greater than 4. That is, we have to find that thing P of x of 2 equal to 4 is 0.13385 and P of x of 2 equal to 0 is 0.0024. P of x of 2 equal to 1 is 0.0148. P of x of 2 equal to 2 is 0.0446. P of x of 2 equal to 3 is 0.08892 and P of x of 2 equal to x of 2 greater than 4 is 0.7151. Next question. Suppose that the probability of a dry day denoted by state 0 and the probability is also given here. That is by state 1 is 1 by 3 and the probability of a rainy day following a dry day is 1 by 2 given that the May 1st is a dry day. Find the probability that May 3rd is a dry day and May 5th is a dry day. So dry day is denoted by 0, rainy day is denoted by 1, and the P we are getting to be 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 2 by 3. And then you have this P1, P2, etc. using the equation Pn equal to Pn minus 1 into P. And P2 is given to be 1 by 2, 1 by 2. P3 is 5 by 12, 7 by 12. P4 is 348 by 864, 516 by 864. And P5 is P4 into P, it's getting to be 12456 by 31104. And 9324 divided by 15552. Therefore, P of x of 3 equal to 0 is 5 by 12. Next one. If the initial state probability distribution of a Markov chain is P0 to be 5 by 6, 1 by 6, TPM is P equal to 0, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. We have to find the probability distribution after two steps. P of 1 equal to P0 into P, that is 5 by 6, 1 by 6 into P, you are getting 1 by 12, 11 by 12. P2 equal to P of 1 into P, that is 1 by 12, 11 by 12 into P, the answer is 11 by 24, 13 by 24. Now we have steady state distribution. In long run, if the probability converges to a fixed point and is homogeneous, then it is following a steady state distribution. It is denoted by pi p equal to p. Question. A student's study habit is as follows. If he studies one night, he is 70% sure not to study next night. On the other hand, if he does not study one night, he is 60% sure not to study next night as well. In the long run, how often does he study? So let's study is denoted by state 0 and not study is denoted by state 1. And now we have the P equal to 0.3, 0.6, 0.4, 0.6. Two states, that is why we denote pi as pi 1, pi 2. Then you know pi p equal to pi. So we are putting pi 1, pi 2 into P is equal to pi 1, pi 2. Solving these two equations, we are getting pi 1 to be 4 by 11 and pi 2 to be 7 by 11. Next question. A gambler luck follows a pattern. If he wins a game, the probability of winning the next game is 0.6. If he loses a game, the probability of losing the next game is 0.7. There is an even chance that gambler wins the first game. What is the probability that he wins the second game, third game, and in long run? So let winning next game denoted by state 0 and losing by state 1. Now we are getting P to be 0.6, 0.4, 0.3, 0.7 and P of 0 is 0.5, 0.5 and P of 1 is 0.5, 0.5 into P. So that is 0.45, 0.55. Probability of winning second game is 0.45. Now P2 is 0.45, 0.55 into 0.6, 0.4, 0.3, 0.7. The answer is 0.435, 0.565. Therefore, the probability of winning third game is 0.435. Now, in long run, you need the steady state, that is pi 1, pi 2 into P is equal to pi 1, pi 2. Therefore, solving these two equations, we are getting pi 1 to be 3 by 7 and pi 2 to be 4 by 7. And that's all for this module 4. Thank you.